Thank you for joining me on my cross-country journey from Maine to the West Coast and back. So far, we have gone south through the Shenandoah Valley, the Atlantic coast of Florida, and finally to the Florida Keys. After leaving the Keys, I stayed in Homestead and then explored Miami a tiny bit. I made my way to Estero, Florida on the Gulf Coast and stayed the night. The next day, I grabbed some quick food in Fort Myers. There was a cute downtown area that would later be decimated by a hurricane. Prior to this trip, I had spent a lot of time isolated because of some life events. In a way, I really had forgotten how to even interact with people. When I visited the Gulf Coast, I reconnected with family that I hadn't seen in years, as well as some friends. I think sometimes the people who know us best can help us remember who we are, even when we ourselves have forgotten. It was just what the doctor ordered. It was nice to try new food, laugh, and be outside after still unthawing from a Maine winter. After my visits, I continued my trek westward and stayed in Niceville. I quickly got to the ocean to watch sunset. The setting was gorgeous, with the trees and setting sun. The next morning, I visited Destin and Pensacola. I made time for a few quick beach stops. The sand was so white, and I really enjoyed just basking in the hot sun. After hitting the Alabama line and seeing another beach, I grabbed dinner and continued into Louisiana and finally to Texas. I'll leave you with the last little bit of drive, and thank you so much for watching. Also, I do have some notebooks and clothing for sale on my website, therovingoak.com. Thanks so much for your support, whether it be buying a notebook, liking this video, or subscribing or sharing on your page. I hope you have a great day and you find some little joy.
Clouds roll by, glittering. I never thought they would let me in. A fading light, a distant call. The devil will never be welcome here at all. The sky is gray, I guess that's what it takes to feel a little lonely. It's a stay. Do you feel our love is the only thing that is real? It's like a heart with nothing to conceal, nothing more. Lesson learned, a slight state of hope that you will return. It's what I got, and then the summer turned into fall. Waited here just for you, caught in the moment of finally getting through. Fading light, a distant call. I do not remember those days at all, but I will never be here if it wasn't true. So let me be the one to hold you. Do you feel our love is the only thing that is real? It's like a heart with nothing to conceal, nothing more. Lesson learned, a slight state of